everyone. Today we're going to take another look out of that eBay purchase lock slot that I got. This one I've actually gone ahead and modified. It's a nice old Sargent. Pretty paracentric keyway there, but I believe I can pick off of this ledge right here. There's the bitting on the key. It's just a 5-pin bitting. It does work nicely, and it is locked up. And I can't remember for the life of me, I pinned it up about a week ago, and I can't remember for the life of me if I actually did pin it for 6 and have that 6th pin riding off the keyway. Because I can't, because of this wording here, I can't really feel the pins well enough to count them. So if I do get it picked, it'll be a stroke of luck, because I haven't had any good luck. And I'm getting picks off of 1 and 2 and 3 consecutively here. So let's keep playing that game. Okay, I just got 3 up and he went into a false set. 4 is pretty solid. 5 just went up. But 5 is up as far as I can take them right now, so let me get a steeper hook out. If I can get it underneath 4 here. No, I can't quite get that one underneath a 4. So let's go back to what I started with. There we go. And we have an open. So let's see what I had in here, because memory's completely failing me on it. I really wasn't expecting to get this thing open, because the previous times that I did get it open, it took me anywhere in the mark range of 12, 13 minutes. Much too long for a video. And I'm looking for my screwdriver. There it is. So let's go ahead and lock that back up. That little tailpiece is stuck on there. All right, grab my follower and the key. Let's turn it like that. And we'll see what we have here. See, I've got a T-pin on 4. This is just a 5-pinner. A little bit of a reduced diameter on the top of 1, but otherwise it's a standard. 2 is a serrated with a lot of sharp serrations on it. 3 is another serrated. 4 is another reduced diameter on the top. And 5 is a standard. Looking inside the core here, I've got counter milling on 1, 4, and 5. Looks like on both directions. Actually, I've only got it in one direction on 1. I got it on both directions on 4 and 5. So let's go ahead and look inside the Bible. I've got a nice serrated in 1. We've got another nice serrated in 2. Pretty good serrations there. Three is another serrated with real fine, sharp serrations. Four is a deep spool, which would definitely grab into that countermilling real well and cause me to lose all feedback. And 5 is another deep spool, so same game plan on 5 as on 4. As difficult as a lock as this was, I don't think that it warrants to have any more modifications done on it. But I was real surprised to get that lock open in 2.5 minutes. It was just a lucky pick, guys. Sorry about my raspy voice. I've got a little bit of a sore throat today. But anyway, stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. Never pick any locks that you don't own or have permission to pick. And as always, please like and subscribe to my videos. Mm-hmm.